Hey class, welcome to week 2. I just wanted to post this video announcement in DQ1 this week. I hope everybody had a wonderful first week on campus. They were able to enjoy some of the festivities and activities that were going on campus. And hopefully you're able to, get back in class early this week and get a good head start. It's always good to get a good head start. I am going to post a video in DQ2 going over a little bit of time management, and that time management video is going to be based off of if you were an online student to kind of help you understand how to focus some time management in your day, and maybe you can apply it to something what you're doing on campus on focusing some time management practices. As you saw in the announcement, and also the email I'm sending you for this week, you probably saw about the college kickoff information, and that's because it is highlighted very important that you attend. You might have heard some things in the past, or like in last year we did only like online videos, but this year you have to attend in person. So yes, you're required to attend in person. Look at the announcement video or email I sent. There's links to click on, the flyer, and also the link that shows you where to other information about where to go on top of another video to watch if you want to watch it. So make sure you attend your meeting on time. There's plenty of notice for students as we've been giving announcements and now this video and also the announcement video in the announcement area on attending. So it's very important that you attend it. Okay. Be patient with the grading. Usually, professors have up to about 7 days to grade everything. I usually get my stuff done by no later than Wednesday, Thursday during the week in a 103 class. Okay, so if you don't see a grade posted, or if you see your DQs, your discussion questions graded in participation and not the worksheet, or if you see the worksheet, not participation graded, don't be alarmed. If you don't see something by Thursday, let me know. You can send me an email, but I'm on top of it. I see the assignments. And if you're late, that's okay. Go ahead and submit the assignment still. Message me as email or in class messaging um, in the private forum area, the private messaging in there, what's going on if you need some help. Okay, because sometimes that first week can be a blur because everything going on all at once. All right. Week 2's a very fun week. You're definitely going to be going over um, information that's beneficial to you about how you can be better as far as like learning who you are as a student, strategies on reading, um, uh, learning styles, and stuff like that. You're also going to go over some information, some policy stuff, Title IX, code of conduct information. Just information is very vital and important for students to have and the knowledge to have, knowing what's available, what resources are there, and what we as what the expectations are as students here at Grand Canyon University. And then on top of that, you'll be doing a library research assignment. Don't be alarmed. You're not doing a research paper. It's a very simple library assignment that gets you introduced to how to use the library, how to find information like APA citation references, locate an abstract. Some of you may already know that stuff, but just in case, here's an assignment for you. All right. Again, make sure you attend your college kickoff. Look at the information you see in the announcement and also in the email I sent. And if you have any questions, please let me know, okay? Oh, and look at the videos below. Remember, this main post, there's tutorials below this, so please watch them.